Would you like to add some colors to your garden? So Wandering Joe is one of the best plants because their color is amazing and attractive. So today I will show you how to propagate them, how to get free plants out of them, how to make free plants is the topic today. So let's see how I make free plants out of the Wandering Joe plant. Hello and welcome back to another gardening program. Today's episode is about Wandering Joe, how to grow them and how to get more free plants out of Wandering Joe. So this is a beautiful permanent plant. You can grow them with single stem. Once you bring a single stem and a plant from a nursery, you can multiply them easily. You get more free plants out of them. This plant also another permanent plant, low maintenance plant, and also one of the beautiful indoor plant. This plant you can keep in any corner in your garden. Since these are beautiful indoor plants, you can keep them in low light area or else medium to partial sunlight area. So here I have put a small stem in a unwanted plastic tub, and it is also growing so well, it is rooting well. So from the mother plant I can select a stem and cut it and put it in either in water or else I can put it in soil and make free plants. So now I'm going to select this stem and I'm going to cut it from here and separate it from the plant. Here we go, and I'm going to cut it from here. Now I have a stem of Wandering Joe and I can put it in water. Before I do that, I have to remove the bottom leaves and put it. So there is about 1 inch now here. So I can just leave it in water for a couple of days for it to root. So water propagation can be done for these plants, or else you can put it directly in water. I'm going to select another piece and here I'm going to cut it from this part where there's a small root. So see, when talking about fertilizer, these plants are permanent plants and also low maintenance. You can just grow them without fertilizer too. So here I have selected another stem and removing the bottom leaves is a must, and this is the stem I have selected. I'm going to put it in soil. This is the plastic container I'm going to use as a planter. I'm going to make a drainage hole in this and with soil to make a plant out of this, and I'm going to use it for my Wandering Joe planter. So now this is the planter. It's ready with the soil preparation, well draining soil, garden soil, sand and some coco peat I used. So this is how I'm going to put my new plant. So that is directly in soil and making free plants out of the mother plant. Wandering Joe plants are beautiful as hanging planters. They are long, bushy, leggy, and also the color is amazing. So beautiful plant for your indoor decorations and also outdoor plants. So have this one plant in your garden which can be easily grown without fertilizer as well, but you can use any fertilizer of your choice which you use for your house plants. So grow this one beautiful plant and make more plants for your garden and make your garden a wonderful place. Beautiful colorful plants make us so amazing and also attractive because we do love adding beauty and colors to our garden. So when talking about colors, you can add this beautiful wonderful plant Wandering Joe as a beautiful house plant and to decorate your home with them. So have this beautiful plant, keep it in a semi-shady area and also provide it with water whenever necessary. Check the soil and water them. These plants are easy to grow, easy to propagate, easy to multiply, and one of the best permanent plants. So hope you find this video very useful, and if you like this, give it a big like and do share and subscribe. Thank you.